Okay, so how many people have tried to use the slice tool on hot press paper and discovered that they can't really get sort of white areas or whiskers or highlights or anything like that, and actually it looks a little bit rubbish? Well, it's not the slice tool's fault. The slice tool is an amazing little tool. It's this is the manual pen cutter that I've got here, and it's got this little ceramic blade, and it's absolutely fantastic as a tool to help with coloured pencils. But when you're using it on certain papers, it can be really frustrating trying to get the pigment to come off. So I'm here to show you how to do it. Now I'm going to show you three different pencils to use, but basically I'm just going to bring a little bit. This is an oil-based pencil. This is a black polychromos that I've got here. So lots of coloured pencil artists use polychromos, and I'm just going to bring in a little patch of dark colour here. I'm using sort of quite hard pressure here just to get it nice, and I wouldn't normally use my pencil like this. So just to get it nice and hard on there, nice bit of pigment in there. And if I come in and I think, right, I want to draw some whiskers now, this is going to be fantastic, I'm going to use my slice tool, and off we go. And look what happens. Pretty much not an awful lot. We're just kind of making some little bit of inroads in there, but it's not really doing very much, and it's quite disappointing, especially when you've seen other people use the slice tool really successfully. So I'm going to show you how to get those amazing white marks on your when you're using hot press paper. So the first pencil I'm going to use is a Caran d'Ache. This is actually the pink white. It doesn't really matter what colour you use, to be honest. It's about getting a wax layer down first. So this is the Caran d'Ache Luminance, and I'm just going to bring, you'll be able to see it there, a layer of the wax in, and then I'm going to bring my black pencil over the top of that. Now it will feel different. You know, it's going to feel a little bit different than going straight down onto the paper, but we've got the black there, and then I'm going to, you'd have to put more layers and everything in, you know, to get the richness. But now I'm going to come in and I'm going to bring, can you see the difference there? How awesome is that? I'm going to do the same now, and I'm going to use the Derwent drawing. This is the Chinese white, not sharpened. And I'm just going to, again, I'm going to bring a block of the white in here. Can't really see it because it's white, so just bring a block of that in. And then I'm going to bring the black in over the top of that. And then I'm going to get my slice tool. I'm just going to come back over here just in case you think I was lying. Okay, and then the final one, I'm going to use this very grubby looking full blender from the Caran d'Ache Luminance. Well, I don't know whether it's the Luminance range, but it's the full blender from Caran d'Ache. And I'm just going to bring in that black in over there again. And then I'm going to bring my slice tool. Actually, the full blender, the colourless blender, that I think works the best. The others work really quite well as well. You could also use something like a Prisma. So I've got a Prisma white here. Okay, so getting that wax layer down first before you start to put your colour in means that you know, you can actually get these gorgeous little white whiskers, highlights, whatever it is, and it works really well with the slice tool.